Mastering the future, using passive voice with will. Hello, language learners. Today we're going to talk about an important part of English grammar, the passive voice with will. Passive voice is a structure where the subject is acted upon by the verb. And today, we're going to focus specifically on using will with the passive voice, which often indicates future actions. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, we need to make sure we understand the structure of a passive sentence with will. The basic formula is subject plus will plus be plus past participle. Here are a few examples. The car will be repaired tomorrow. The dishes will be washed after dinner. In each of these sentences, the subject is receiving the action, not doing it. Notice the form of the verb. We use will be, followed by the past participle of the main verb. Now, let's practice converting active voice sentences into passive voice using will. Remember, we're focusing on sentences where will is used to express a future action. Here's an example. Active voice. The mechanic will repair the car tomorrow. Passive voice. The car will be repaired by the mechanic tomorrow. Can you see the shift? The object of the active sentence, the car, becomes the subject of the passive sentence. Now it's your turn. Let's start with a few practice sentences. Try to convert them from active to passive voice. 1. They will release the new software next week. 2. I will send you the report by Monday. 3. The chef will prepare the meal later. And the answers. 1. The new software will be released next week. 2. You will be sent the report by Monday. 3. The meal will be prepared by the chef later. One thing to be cautious of when using the passive voice is that it can sometimes make sentences less clear by omitting the actor, or the one doing the action. Always use the passive voice intentionally, and remember that not every sentence should be converted to the passive voice. That's it for today's lesson. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering the passive voice with will. Keep trying out new sentences and before you know it, you'll have it down. See you in our next lesson, where we continue exploring the fascinating world of English grammar. Happy learning!